They betrayed you. They tried to erase you. They wanted you to leave buried beneath the ruins of their lies. But you're still here. I can see everything you carried, every scar, every silent battle etched into your body and soul. And now they tell you it's time to walk away. I stood at that edge once, staring into the void, waiting for it to pull me in. I was shattered, broken into sharp pieces, scattered everywhere, dangerous, unstable. But I didn't fall. I didn't collapse under the weight. I took the pain. I took the fire, and I claimed it. There was no savior waiting, no hand reaching out, no voice calling me back. When the darkness closed in, it was only me. I felt despair dig its teeth into my flesh. I tasted betrayal like poison. I walked through storms that stripped me bare and left me bleeding. I heard the world laugh, mocking me, daring me to give up. And still, I remained. Not because of hope, not because of faith, not because of light. I stayed standing because I refused to give them the pleasure of my collapse. Every wound became mine. Every scar carved itself into my identity, not as weakness, as proof. The fire didn't destroy me, it hardened me. The darkness didn't blind me, it sharpened my vision. The weight didn't crush me, it forged me. The person I once was no longer exists. That version burned away in the suffering. I mourned him once, soft, unaware, unmarked. But he was never meant to survive. Pain gave me purpose. Suffering gave me strength. The world tried to break me. Instead, it taught me how to bend without snapping. I no longer feel regret. I no longer feel pity. I no longer offer mercy. The world does not reward kindness. It devours the weak. So I became something it couldn't digest. I carried my survival alone. No one shared the weight. No one eased the burden. Every train, every step, every breath, I carried it myself. And in doing so, I became more. I don't ask to be understood. I don't seek forgiveness. I don't need recognition. I'm not here to be admired. I'm not here to be pitied. I'm here because I refused to disappear. I faced what destroys others. I stared into despair until it blinked first. Pain tried to own me. I tore myself free. Scars tried to define me. I turned them into armor. Voices told me I was nothing. They were wrong. I was becoming. Nothing I endured was wasted. Every scream, every tear, every drop of blood, fuel. I didn't survive by chance. I survived by choice. Every time I fell, I stood back up. Not because it was easy, because I refused to stay down. Pain has no control over me now. Fear doesn't reach me. Weakness is a disease I cured myself of. I focused not on who I was, but on who I was forging myself into. Unbreakable, relentless. I don't need vengeance. I don't need applause. All that matters is this: I'm still here. The pain didn't kill me. The betrayal didn't kill me. The loneliness didn't kill me. They made me stronger. I am the result of every battle I survived. Sharper, harder, unstoppable. I owe nothing to anyone. I owe everything to myself. I rose when the world wanted me to fall. I no longer fear storms. I no longer fear fire. I no longer fear shadows, because I am the storm. I am the fire. I am the shadow. Nothing left to break, nothing left to fear. I am whole, not because I'm untouched, but because I'm built from scars. What didn't kill me made me more than strong. It made me inevitable. So I dare the world to try again. I dare the pain to return. I dare the darkness to reach for me. It will fail. It always does. I am unyielding, unbreakable, and I'm only beginning. Why does he fear his past self? Because he knows what it took to escape it. Who was he? Someone unrecognizable. I am who I am because the world shaped me this way. It stripped away softness. It carved me down to survival. It broke me piece by piece until I stopped trying to hold myself together. And in that fire, I was forged. I didn't ask for this, but the world never cared what I asked for. It saw kindness as weakness and sank its claws deep. So I stopped expecting help, stopped expecting safety. I rebuilt myself from ruins. The world wanted me crawling. I learned to walk on broken legs. It wanted my tears. I burned them away. And when it demanded surrender, I said no. They don't understand what it costs to be remade by pain. They see strength. They don't feel the scars beneath it. I used to ask why. Now I know. I had to break so this version of me could exist. You don't become this strong without being destroyed first. Yes, the world made me this way, and maybe that was the lesson. Softness doesn't save you. Survival does, and I paid for it in blood. What I earned can't be taken. They see the armor, not the war beneath it. I carry the weight because I can, because I must, because no one else will. The world left me no easy path, so I became unbreakable. I don't shrink, I don't soften, I don't apologize. This is who I am, and I define myself. I turn pain into power, scars into stories, darkness into fire. Let the world try again. I've already survived the edge. I came back stronger. I am enough, more than enough.